Hi all, my name is Dave Belt. I'm with EchoStar. I'm a senior engineer. This is a demo of our new external hard disk feature, which allows you to expand your DVR storage capacity. Within the box itself, you have a multimedia menu. If you have a USB disk plugged in, and this is just a normal external hard disk that you can buy at any common computer retailer, you plug it in. This will tell you if you have a USB device plugged in. From here, you can say send to device. Now these are all your events on your DVR, and you can select which events you'd like to transfer over to the disk. If I say to archive, it'll now tell me that there's a transfer time. Typically takes about 20 minutes to transfer a 1 hour high def event. So if you don't want to sit here and watch the status bar, you hit view TV from over here, and you can go back and watch TV. It'll transfer all in the background. You can proceed to use your EchoStar set-top box precisely as you were previously. Now, for the sake of doing a demo, I'm not going to make you guys wait 2.5 hours. You can then go to Manage Device, and this shows the events that are currently on the hard disk itself. Now, you can either select to transfer those back. If you select Restore, it'll put them back onto your DVR, or you can select one and you can play it back directly off of the external hard disk. So this will kind of transform. The DVR is really transformed the way people watch TV in terms of, saving, watching it when you want to. This will now turn your DVR into more of a scratch pad as opposed to storing all of your Sopranos episodes on there. You can now offload these onto an external hard disk, save them for long-term use, and delete stuff off of your DVR as you need. Yes, you can. Currently, this product is not out yet, but by the time it is, right now you can only plug in one USB device at a time, but we're targeting to have 4 USB devices connected at one time, at which point, if you have, this right here is actually 1.5 terabyte hard disk. If you had 4 of these, that'd be 6 terabytes, which would come out to be a lot of video. I mean, we're talking hundreds of hours of high def. So this essentially gives you the ability to expand your 622 to whatever requirements you need. And I have to mention that we are a winner of an Innovations Award also. Well, basically what we're doing currently, once again, we're not released yet with this product, and currently this device is tied directly to the set-top box. Now, by the time we actually get this out, we'll have a household key concept out where the content will be encrypted based on your account as opposed to the set-top box. So at that point, you can take the hard disk upstairs to your other set-top box, plug it in, and you can watch play your content back on that set-top box. Now, the key here is you're not taking it to your buddy's house to play it back. It will only work on your account that way. So in this way, we have protected the content as required by Hollywood and their IP protection, yet you can store as much as you want based on hard disks. And as you run out of space, like I said, just keep adding disks.
Now, can you combine your hard Uh-oh, hi everyone. Can you combine your hard drive storage with your DVR and your computer?
No, you cannot. You could if you're out of space and you need to store them. You could move those over to your computer if you wanted. However, you could never play them back on your computer. So this is essentially a proprietary Dish Network format and can only be played back on a Dish Network set-top box.
How about storing music and photos like a pocket disk can do?
You can do that also. There are some issues with file systems. This has been formatted to a proprietary file system, so if you were to plug this into your PC, it may not necessarily recognize the file system, but you can also, if you have a disk or any other USB device, let's say that you just have some sort of a flash stick that you wanted to plug in here and you put photos on it, you can also go into multimedia and you can say My Photos, and this would list your photos on here. You can select them and you can have a slideshow. You plug it in, and the first time you try to archive an event, it will prompt you to reformat. The set-top box will reformat it, reboot, and you're ready to go. So it's essentially just a plug-and-play exercise.